How do I prepare for a recession? The best way to prepare is to build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses, pay down high-interest debt, cut unnecessary spending, and make sure you have more than one source of income. Think of a recession like a big storm rolling into the economy, where businesses sell less and sometimes lay off workers while prices stay high. The smartest move is building your cash cushion before the storm hits, not during it. Something most people do not realize is that your credit score becomes even more important in a recession, because banks get stricter about lending, so a strong score can decide whether you get approved for help when you need it. Start by tracking every dollar you spend for 1 month so you know exactly where your money goes, then cut anything that is not essential and move that money into savings you do not touch. Also think about backup ways to earn money if your industry slows down, because having options matters more than people realize. One common mistake is waiting until the recession actually starts before making any changes. So start saving and cutting expenses as soon as you hear warning signs. Another misconception is thinking you should save money before paying off debt, when really high-interest debt can hurt you more. So knock out credit card balances first while still keeping a small safety cushion. People also assume a recession means cutting all spending, but keeping up with home maintenance and repairs now can prevent expensive emergencies later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.